Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making the butterscotch. Butterscotch, those are the ingredients you need for butterscotch. You need the milk, the concentrate milk. This is the concentrate milk. You can get this any kind of supermarket you go. Any concentrate milk can do, okay? So it's not just this brand, okay? And you need the cooking oil, any kind of vegetable oil, but this is olive oil, so any kind of cooking oil can do, okay? And you need to put the pot and make sure the pot is oil. You're gonna put a little bit of cooking oil on there, okay? So let's start making it right now. Okay, I put some cooking oil, and now it's time to add the milk to it. When you add the milk, you need to make sure you keep it stirring it, because if you don't, it will burn so fast. So you see, after putting this, I'm gonna be mixing it till it's nice and browning, okay? You're gonna mix it. That's all you're gonna be doing. Mixing it till it's nice and browny color. And when it's browny, that means it's ready. Okay? So you're gonna start mixing it like this. You don't need to wait or it will burn so fast and the bottom of it, okay? You see, it even start burning a little bit. I'm gonna put the fire down, okay, to 6, because it wasn't high before and I just put on 6, okay? So I'm gonna keep stirring it till it's nice and golden like the wild one, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys later. Okay, so you see, this is how it look like right now. So you're gonna keep mixing it, because if you don't mix it, it will burn so fast and you don't want that, okay? So I'm just keeping mixing it. So I'm mixing it till it's nice and brown like the one I'm gonna show you guys, okay? When it's nice and brown, that's all you're gonna keep it doing. See, it's getting thicker, so it will get thicker, thick, and I'm just keeping mixing it. That's all I'm doing. You see, the color is changing little by little. The texture is just adding up a little by little. That's all you gotta do. Keep it mixing it, but you're gonna do a lot of work. It's mixing though, because if you don't mix it, it will burn so fast in the bottom, and I bet you don't want that, because it will taste so burn you will not even eat it. Okay, see, this is the texture now. See, the color is changing to nice and browny. This is what you want, nice and browny. Okay, so it's now time to remove it now, because the color is nice and browny. But if you want it more darker, you can go more darker, okay? If you really want to. Okay, so you need a clean plate, and you put a little bit of cooking oil on it, so you don't want the butterscotch to be sticky on the plate. So that's what I just did, okay? So I'm gonna put in the plate now, okay? Okay, this is the final product, but this is super hot. You need to wait a little bit till it's nice and cold before you're gonna start making a ball out of this. If you put your hand in this right now, I swear to God, it will burn you. And please, I'm begging you, don't put your hand on this. You need to let it sit down for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes at least before you're gonna start making the ball of it. Because right now, this is just like a glue to wait to burn your hand. That's it. Okay, so see, you need to make a ball out of this like that. We call this a maningo bonbon. Okay, so you see, for one day. My daughter just keep screaming under my video, so please hurry about that, okay? I'm just telling her to just okay, so this is how we're supposed to make a ball out of it. So thank you for watching our cuisine. Please subscribe, and watch my video, and love you guys so much. See you guys another day, okay? So I'm gonna make a ball like this till it finish, and you're gonna let it sit. It will dry. You're gonna start eating, okay? Bye.